Hey, what's up everybody? Let me bring my stuff outside. It's super loud in here. So freaking loud in there. It's ridiculous. Got a little bit more shade right here. Hopefully you guys can see me because I'm looking on the screen and I can't really see myself. Alright, so I got my stuff back from plating. Got everything back. Everything came out pretty good. I haven't really opened any of these. Actually, I think I took this one out. I lied. I'm a liar. Alright, so here's this one. Show you guys a closer look. I really can't see anything on this screen. Like, you guys can probably see it really good, but I can't. I can't see a damn thing on here. This is all plated. I don't know. I thought it was gonna be like a chrome, more chromish type of look. It's got more of like a like a brush chrome, not chrome, I gotta stop saying chrome. It's kind of more of like a brush type of like a metal. I don't know how to explain it. It looks really good though, regardless. Better than it did before, and I can't complain. This shit was free, so for me to complain, that's just dumb. These things are super clean. Like, they cleaned them, they did everything, and then they plated them. So now that it's all clean, it's good, it's smooth. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take all these. I have more pieces inside. I'm gonna take all these and I'm gonna actually polish them myself. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do that. Damn, my hair is a mess. Hold on, let me fix my hair. My mom actually decided to like brush my hair yesterday. I was telling her, yo, you're like ripping. I was like, you're ripping my hair, right? She's like brushing it out while it's dry, and she's ripping it out. She's like ripping my hair. I'm telling her, like, she's like, stay still, shut up. And you know how moms are, man. She just told me to shut up and sit down. She's like, your hair's a mess. She's like, I gotta fix it. So yeah, that was that. She ended up ripping a lot of my hair out. I was kind of mad when I got home because now I got a bunch of frizzies everywhere. Oh, check this out, guys. I ended up getting some shade. Went and got the keys and just opened this back here. Actually, this wants to fall. Okay, we're good. It's not gonna fall on my head. All right, so how we're gonna polish these things, right? You guys have probably seen these things before, right? These Mother's PowerCone 360 things, they look like this. I used this on my header actually, and it came out really good. The only thing I don't understand, my header actually ended up getting stained up again. I don't know, I gotta polish it again. I don't know if, like, after I polish the header, I gotta like wipe it down really clean so that when it heats up and it reaches that certain temperature where it starts to change color, maybe it evens out better. Yeah, I don't know what happens to it. I don't understand, but it gets all ugly again. So I actually had to polish my header again. And it's header, I don't think it's headers. I think it's just header. But yeah, I use this. A lot of other people use this one, White Diamond. I used other ones and it did not help with my header. At least for my header, like, it didn't take away the blueness, like the goldish stains that are all over the header. It didn't do anything. The only thing that worked was this. So yeah, I vouch for this White Diamond one. I used it and it actually worked. So that's just my opinion. Other people use I think it's a mag one or something like that in a little container, but this is just my opinion. That's the one I like. It's the White Diamond one. Oh yeah, the Powerball, whatever, this costs $22. And I think this is probably the most expensive one for polishing, and it's like $11 or $12. Really expensive. I'm just gonna go ahead and polish these things. Let me show you what else I got. I got this one done as well. The bracing behind the back seats. And like I said, when they polish these things or they do whatever, they gotta separate these. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Yeah, I'm not complaining. It looks real nice. I might actually leave this one like this. I don't know. Depending how these come out, and you know, when I polish these, depending how these come out, I might actually end up doing this one. I don't know, because I wanted more of that, like, I don't know, more polish look. I don't know. I don't know what I was expecting, but shit's all over my hands already. So yeah, I'm gonna get started. Let's see. Let's start with this one. So he did this one, that fuel pump cover thing. The only thing, I don't have the gasket that goes around it anymore. So I don't know if I actually need that or not. I mean, I guess I'll find out if I smell like gasoline or something. I don't know. But yeah, came out really good. And I might polish this as well. I'm not gonna do the bottom part of all these. Wherever you can't see it, obviously I'm not gonna polish that. It's like a waste of time. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things to do. Oh yeah, let me show you guys the screws. He did them all black. And these also have like a brush, I don't know, like matte color to it. And I was expecting like a shinier black maybe. I don't know about you guys, but when I think of plated, I think like shiny, or I don't know what I was expecting, but whatever, it's free. I can't complain. I gotta shut up. So let's just go ahead and get started, and let's see how these things come out. I'm gonna put you guys right here. Hopefully you guys can see me good. Hold on, let me sit down. All right, that's pretty good. Put my music in my ears, start polishing these things. Fuck. Show you guys kind of the results. Look at that, looks like a damn sword. Shiny, came out really good. Let me show you the brace behind the front seat. Came out really good. Zoom in on that. I like this look a lot more now that it still has that brush look, but it's more like it's a lot more shinier. Yeah, all the other ones are over there. They look just like that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this thing up. Oh, real quick guys, if you're looking for a tripod, this one's really good. I got it on Amazon. You can adjust it here. I bought this little adapter here. You could just snap your camera right on there. But yeah, it's got the adjustments on the bottom. Really good camera. I think this one was $22. Not a bad deal. And look how small it gets too. So you could just carry this thing around, no problem. Yeah, so I'm gonna clean up my mess, then we're gonna go in and install this. All right, so I brought everything in. I guess we'll start easy. I got about, I wanna say like 30 bolts, and he separated them all. I had them in groups. He had to separate them all because he had no choice. And now I don't know where anything goes. I got different types of sizes here. I know these go for the back brace behind the seat, these right here, but all these other ones, just gonna have to see what fits where, and then just, I don't know, try and figure out the best I can. I probably should have took pictures and maybe wrote down like the length on them. That probably would have helped me, but I don't know. I'm gonna try my best, and then I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. All right, so this goes here and seems to be bouncing all over the place. So I don't know how this was on there, honestly. If anybody knows, leave it in the comments down below. How was this on there? Did it have like some type of glue under here, like some type of seal or something? I don't know. That shit's just moving all over the place. Oh, one other thing, we don't need this. We don't need the ABS on this side, so I could just unclip this and coil it up in there. Hold on, let me do that real quick. Alright, so I took out the ABS. This is pretty straightforward. I'm gonna install this and then I'll show you guys the final results. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I got like 5 things to put in. So what I'll do a little like time lapse thing of me putting it in, and then we'll both be able to see the final results and see what it looks like. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so I figured out pretty much where all the bolts went. It was pretty simple. It wasn't that big of a deal. Some of them, pretty much it was obvious. I just counted the same amount on each side, and then, you know, I just used like, I don't know, I just used my damn head. So this back one, you know, obviously the rug is going to cover it for now, but when I go ahead and paint the front end and stuff, you know, you'll be able to see it again. So for now, it's going to be underneath the rug. There's the back side over there. There's that side over there. Let me back up so you guys can get a whole view of it. Yeah, so it came out pretty good. I really like it. Let's give you guys another view from over here. I really like how it came out. And then this cover, I just got to figure out what I'm going to do with it, because it really doesn't hold in place. So I'll probably just put some 3M tape on the bottom of it or something, just to, I don't know, keep the water out if I'm ever driving. This, I covered the bottom end, so I just put tape on it and then just, I don't know, taped it as good as I can, and then I just kept that grommet there. Worked out great. This other ABS side, I just ended up cutting it. I had said in another video, I cut it because I couldn't remove it. Like, I tried to remove this rubber thing, and then, I don't know, just ended up cutting it. I don't have ABS anyways, so give you guys another view from over here. I think that's pretty much it for this video. My apologies if, I don't know, this video is just kind of plain to me. I mean, compared to other stuff I'd be doing, this one was kind of just putting stuff back together. Actually, past couple videos have just been me, you know, putting this car back together. So yeah, my apologies if it's been kind of boring or whatever. And again, guys, I've said it in other videos, this is just my preference, my way of doing things. You guys can do it your own way. You guys can, you know, take other routes, and I'm not telling you guys to do it this way or do it that way, or I'm just giving you guys options on ways you could do this stuff. And I used to be crazy on saying like comment, subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, and all that stuff at the end of the video. But you know what, guys, if you want to subscribe, support me. If not, that's fine too. I mean, it's good enough that you guys even took the time out to watch the videos. So yeah, I'm gonna end it right here. I'll see you guys in the next one. All right,
I'm pain. Wanna put 10 shots in my brain. I've been tripping about some things, can't change. Switch at the same time on tape. Same begging phone call. Girl that you fuck with.